shoulders on the floor, press your spine against the floor. Bend your knees, bend both knees. You don't have to bend it too much, just enough so that your back is pressed against the floor. Place your palms next to you. Stretch your right leg and keep it straight. Point your toes. Engage your core. As you inhale, raise your right leg up slowly, as high as you can. It should be only comfortable for you to raise it as much as you can. Don't push it. You're just warming up to start with. Now flex your foot, and as you exhale, slowly lower it down. Again, as you inhale, raise your leg up. As you exhale, drop it down, but flex when you drop it down, okay? Again, raise it up as you inhale. Exhale, take it down. If you notice, each time you bring your leg up, you will be able to bring it further because you are stretching your muscles. And as you exhale, take it down. Now place your right foot on the floor in line with your left. Straighten your left leg as you exhale. Point your toes. Inhale, raise your leg up. As you exhale, flex and take it down. Inhale, point and lift. Exhale, drop. Inhale, lift. Exhale, drop. Inhale, lift. Exhale, drop. Well done. Now, I want you to do the same thing, but we're going to straighten both legs. So stretch both legs out. Place your left leg on the floor. Point the toes of your right and raise it up as you inhale, up, and as you exhale, take it down. Flex and take it down. Inhale, lift it up. You may not lift it up too much because your other leg is on the floor. Again, lift it up and take it down as you flex. Last time, lift it up. So this is really engaging your core, your lower abs especially, and then take it down. Repeat on the other side. Point your toes of your left leg, lift it up as you inhale. Flex and exhale as you drop. Point, inhale as you lift. Flex and drop. Point and lift. Flex and drop. Last time. Point and lift. Flex and drop. Now bend your knees again as you inhale. As you exhale, lift both knees up. So keep your knees bent, but lift both your knees up. Your knees should be in line with your hips. Again, when you inhale, you're just going to straighten your right leg. Keep your left leg bent. Just straighten your right leg. When you inhale, as you exhale, bring it down. Again, straighten your right leg as you inhale. As you exhale, bring it down. Inhale, straighten your right leg. Exhale, take it down. Inhale, straighten your right leg. Exhale, take it down. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. Last time. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. Now we're going to do the same on the left. Inhale, straighten your left leg. Exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten your leg as much as possible. Exhale, bend, but press your spine into the floor. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. 2 more times. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. Very good. Now, as you inhale, straighten both legs up and just hold it there. I'm going to count. Flex your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now leave your left leg as it is. As you inhale, you're going to take your right leg down all the way to the floor. As you exhale, you're going to lift it up. Inhale, take your right leg down. Exhale, lift it up. Inhale, take your right leg down. Exhale, lift it up. Inhale, take your right leg down. Exhale, lift it. Now swap legs. Inhale, take your left leg down. Exhale, lift it up. Inhale, take your leg down. Exhale, lift it up. Inhale, take your leg down. Exhale, lift it up. Inhale, take your left leg down. Exhale, lift it up. Bend your knees. Pull your knees to your chest. Just relax. Hold that position. Now bring your feet together. Hold your knees on top like this. As you inhale, pull your knees towards your chest. As you exhale, open your knees out to the side. Keep your feet together and roll it back away from you. Bring your knees together. Inhale, pull them towards your chest. Exhale, open those knees out and roll them forward and then bring them together. Again, pull your knees in towards you. Exhale as you roll them out. Last time, pull your knees in towards you as you exhale. This opens the hips out. We're just warming up. Now we're going to reverse the action. So as you exhale, push your knees away from you. As you inhale, open them out and pull them towards your chest and bring them together. As you exhale, push them away from you. As you inhale, pull them in and to your chest. Push them as you exhale. Pull them towards you and together. Last time, push them as you exhale. Pull them in towards you. Very good. Place your feet on the floor. Now I want you to stretch your legs out, pointing your toes. Okay. Now flex your feet. Pull your toes towards you. Feel your muscles tightening all the way from your toes, working your ways up to your quads. Engage your core. Squeeze your belly. Squeeze and raise your arms above your head. Push your palms up, your fingers facing up. Push your heels away from you. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. Press it against the floor.